A sound, a, a. Different words starting with a and their pronunciation and different use in sentences. A sound, a. He is a carpenter. A sound, a. He is a businessman. A M sound, a. I am sorry. A M sound, a. I am going to school. A N sound, a. An hour, an honor. An was formerly often used before words having an initial vowel sound. A An sound, a. An umbrella, an old car. A T at sound, a. See you at my place. A T at sound, a. I am at shop. A R E R sound, a. You are writing a letter. A R E R sound, a. Are you going? A G E age sound, a. Tell me your age. A G E age sound, a. You are of my age. A G E age sound, a. You tell are me of your my age. A P E ape sound, a. Apes are intelligent. A P E ape sound, a. Ape is sitting on the tree. A N T ant sound, a. The ants are eating sugar. A N T ant sound, a. The ants found a crystal of sugar. A S H ash sound, a. You collect the ash. A S H ash sound, a. After the fire there was only ash. A S S S. Sound. A. I saw an ass eating grass. A. S. 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 Sound. A. An ass carrying the clothes. A. R. M. Arm. Sound. A. He twisted my arm. A. R. M. Arm. Sound. A. Her arm was injured. A. S. K. Ask. Sound. A. Ask questions. A. S. K. Ask. Sound. A. Ask someone for help. A. L. L. All. Sound. A. They all are playing. A. L. L. All. Sound. A. All children are going to school. A. M. E. R. Amar. Sound. A. Amar going to school. एजुकेट एवरीवन. सभी को शिक्षित करें. बच्चों की शिक्षा के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए समर्पित. सीखो और सिखाओ. These books improve your knowledge, reading, pronunciation and translation skills.